9 times. That's how much more likely it is that an injury will occur around your vehicle at night, according to the National Safety Council. As RVers, we try to avoid driving, tearing down, or setting up camp at night, but sometimes it's simply unavoidable. But what if you could have daytime visibility at night? Meet Tow and Glow, the towed vehicle safety nightlight. Engineered with 12 LEDs, Tow and Glow emits 100 lumens of light, effectively acting as a headlight even when your towed vehicle's headlights are off. No more fumbling around in the dark when hooking up or disconnecting your tow bar. No more risking other drivers merging into your towed vehicle. No more avoiding the night. No matter your 6-pin cable or tow bar, illuminate your tow zone with Tow and Glow and focus on what really matters. Brighten your next journey today.